I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there any...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a DIY project that is probably gonna take a little bit of time, but I am so excited to get it started. We are going to semi-renovate our guest bathroom right off of our kitchen. It's this bathroom right here. We have not touched it since we moved in, and I've said for a long time that I want to kind of make it more our style, get it back up to date a little bit. So I am so excited to transform this space, and I just wanted to say a big thank you to Benjamin Moore for sponsoring today's video. All right, I'm gonna take you into the bathroom and give you guys a little rundown of our plans and what we're planning on doing in here. Here's the bathroom now. So we did paint it whenever we moved in, but that is it. It has this light fixture up top, then it has this mirror. It's all just kind of standard builder grade, and it's just not our style. It's fine, it's worked for the almost 2 years that we've been here, but it's just not our style. So this is a pretty small bathroom though. That's literally all that's in here. So we're going to spruce it up a little bit, but the main focus of this room is going to be this wall here. So the plan is we're gonna paint all of the walls white to really brighten up this space. And then on this wall right here, we're going to do some dark gray board and batten. So I'll show you guys how we're doing that. My husband is gonna help me with this video, and we're going to tackle this. So I did get a new vanity though, and I got a new light fixture and mirror, and also new toilet paper holder and towel holder. That is going to look different as well, but for this video, we are going to focus on painting and showing you how paint really does make such a difference in bathrooms or really any space in your house. I'm really excited to have this done before the holidays and the new year. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's the vanity I decided to go with, and it's just white. It has black hardware. I also got a black faucet, so that's what it's going to look like. It comes with the stainless steel as well if you would rather have that, or not stainless steel, I can't remember what this is called, but we like the black, just very classic, simple, and timeless. For this project, we're using Benjamin Moore Regal Select paint. This is the premium interior paint and primer, and we went with the matte finish. They have one that is called flat, I believe, that is one step more like flat toned than this finish here, but I think this will be good. And I went with the color Kindle Charcoal. So they mixed it up and put a little sample on here, and there are the tones of the colors. Really excited about this paint. It's supposed to be like super good, very durable paint, and this Regal is great in bathrooms. They also have a specific paint if you are painting like furniture and stuff. All right, all the trim is down and out of the bathroom, and we started painting the first coat. This shade is just plain white. It's just called white. I'll show you on the can. But Taylor's putting the first coat on. We pulled the vanity out that was here, and we are just rocking and rolling. So the vanity is over here, middle of a project. So let me show you this can. So there's the color, White OC 151, and it is truly just a bright white with no undertones really. It's just a classic white color, which I think is good for small spaces. Otherwise it can feel really dark really quick. And since this is gonna be such a darker gray, I think the white will look good. Regal Select is mildew resistant. It applies evenly and smoothly, It has the paint and primer together, and it has a stain release technology. That way it's easier to clean without scrubbing it. And this is good for kitchens, hallways, family rooms, things of that sort. I went with this for the half bathroom because we don't have a shower or anything in there. And it also has 0 VOC, so it's a low odor. And I can't even hardly smell it in there. When Taylor's painting, it doesn't smell strong at all. And it also has Gen X color technology, which removes the unnecessary chemicals that weaken paint. So it makes it super durable. So overall, this is a great option of paint. If you're having trouble figuring out what colors to use in your home, you can download the Benjamin Moore Color Portfolio app, and it will help you look through the colors. You can save your selections. You can also try the colors on your wall, which is super cool. So that is a great tool to have. Once you've decided what paint color you're going to use, you can go to the Benjamin Moore website. I'll have it linked down below, and you can get paint samples. In the app, they also have a color picker functionality where you can take a picture and you will find your closest Benjamin Moore color match, which is really good if you don't remember what the name of the color was that you had once previously painted your walls and you just need to touch up. You can take a picture and they will match it right up. All right, we're gonna start out by putting the first coat of paint on the walls. The white looks so good. We also installed the vanity and it looks great. So now we're going to start on the board and batten. So Taylor has got the first coat of paint on the boards, and he just has a variety of sizes. So we're gonna start with the bottom piece and the top piece. The height of our board and batten is 5 feet, and then we did slats every 13 inches. So that's how we figured the board and batten. We put boards on the farthest sides of the wall, and then we just placed the middle boards 13 inches apart. So I hope that makes sense. The top boards are 1x4s, as well as the bottom, that's also 1x4s, and then the middle ones are 1x3s, and then we also added a board to the top that was a 1x2 just for a little ledge. And then here you'll see we rolled the middle of the board and batten with that Kindle charcoal paint, and then Taylor went in with a trim brush and filled in all of the corners.
From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree. From this Christmas on. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change.
And here is the finished product with one coat. He did go in with 2 coats just to give it a nice and finished look, but the paint worked great, and you can see that top piece there of the 1x2, just giving it a nice finished look. Alright guys, it's a few days later and the bathroom is finally finished. I cannot wait to show it to you guys. The board and batten is up, the new vanity is in, I picked out a mirror, new light fixture. It looks completely different in there, so I cannot wait to show you. After I show you guys what it's looking like, we're going to decorate it. We're going to finish it off, make it look super cute and cozy, if you can make a bathroom look cozy. Anyways, we're going to decorate it a little bit for Christmas and just make it a little festive. I've pulled just random decor and a sign that I had left over from my Christmas decor that I ended up not using, so that's what I'm going to put in my bathroom. So without further ado, let me show you what it's looking like. Okay, here it is. So there's the board and batten on that main wall, new light fixture, and then here is the new mirror, new towel holder, and vanity. Very just clean lines, more modern looking and up to date. and I just love it. We put those same shelves back up though. I feel like they definitely go with the theme of the room still, and I just love it so much. So let me turn the light off so you can get a better view of the light. Okay, so there it is. Very modern. It fits the rest of the room. I love the colors of the wall. We went with the straight white out of the can for the walls, and then for the board and batten we used Kindle charcoal, and I love it. It is the perfect dark gray color. It looks very kind of boho, more modern feeling, and I just really like it. So the board and batten was super easy to install. It took about 2 days between like all of the painting and cutting of the boards, but you could definitely get it done in 1 day if it's a small space like this. I think it just finishes off the look and adds enough contrast to the room. So I love our bathroom now. I think it's so cute. So I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and give the toilet a good cleaning. I'm going to clean the vanity real good. And I'll also probably clean the floors. I'm going to steam mop them. That way they're just nice and fresh. He also put up new trim in here, so baseboards to match that modern look down there. So it all just flows. So there is some dust and stuff. So I'll clean the floors up real good. You can kind of see down here, there's some dust. So I'm gonna clean the floors, mop them up, and then we'll get to decorating. I'm using my Shark steam mop to mop the floors, and I will say I love this steam mop. If you guys are looking for Christmas gift ideas, you can get this for under $100. I'll link it down below. They may even go on sale for cheaper than that. I'm not totally sure, but it is such an amazing steam mop. It has different settings that you can set to either tile or hardwood or laminate, whatever kind of floor you are working on, and it disinfects with just water. It is amazing. Now we're going to style the shelves, and I'm going to pull in some Christmassy things. I've got a candle from Walmart on top, and then a couple of different Christmassy signs, and then I've got this soap here and a hand towel from House and Home that is so nice. It is so soft. And then I'm gonna put that sign up. I thought about leaving it on the ledge, but decided to actually hang it up. So before I do that, I wanted to bring in a little mini Christmas tree. I just stuck it in a basket, and then since there isn't an outlet in that corner, I'm going to put on some twinkle lights.
As soon as you remove that snow, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
I wanted to add something to the top of the mirror, so I'm using some picks from Joann's, and I'm just attaching them with some twine so they all stay together and kind of forming it in the shape of a circle. And then I'll take it to the mirror, and I'm using a command hook to hold this garland up in place. And I think it just adds a nice Christmassy touch.
Whatever we do, we will will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the
final reveal, all decorated and cozy for Christmas. If you guys want to know where anything is from, I will link it down in the comments. But I'm just so happy with how this bathroom turned out. I love the way that the Benjamin Moore paint turned out. It was so easy to work with, and this was a nice little refresh. So I'm so excited that we were able to do this. Guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing the process of putting the board and batten up and kind of giving this bathroom a refresh. Thank you again to Benjamin Moore for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to check out their paint or use their app, pick out colors, I will have everything linked down below so you can do so. Let me know if you are doing any projects before the holidays hit, or if you have big plans for some projects in next year. I'd love to see what you guys are doing, and if you guys do the board and batten, make sure to tag me over on Instagram. I'll have my handle linked here. But thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate all your support on my Christmas Decorate With Me videos. They have been so much fun to create, and it just feels so cozy being home. So I hope you guys have a great Christmas season. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.